Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making chocolate cake using Dr. Pepper. I know, I was shocked as well, but it's really easy. So you just need chocolate cake and Dr. Pepper, and then I like to add some sweetened condensed milk and make my own heavy cream, whipped cream, if you will. Once it's already cooked, and it's so easy, it's so delicious. I was super skeptical when I first heard about this, but then I tried it and I loved it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Again, super easy, but so delicious. So let's get started.